Hi everyone, we are in Rogers, Texas, a very small railroad town. See those grain dryers in the back by the railroad? Let's go check it out. To start off, we got the Taqueria Mexicano Bar and Grill. Before we continue on, let's take a look at those grain dryers. Pretty neat. You have your antique store, playfully painted, which is fun. I'm glad they're using these old buildings. Better than a empty one like this. We have another Mexican restaurant called Los Dos Laredos. Which I guess is closed on Sunday. But this little tiny town has their own tattoo parlor. So if you want to get something on your arm, this is the place to go. This is the place to get it. All right. We're going to try to cross the street. There's another little old building. Not sure what it's being used for, but it looks like it's occupied. You got the break time gas station. Which is next to the Bob Green Memorial Fire Station. And there's the City Hall in the corner. Nothing real spectacular about that architecture, but it's a pretty building, so that's fine. Got a little civic center right there. And this is the RVFD, it's the fire department building. And next to it is what looks to be the old Masonic Lodge, which doesn't appear to be operational now, but you can see the Masonic symbol right there. So put that on your bingo card. The little Masonic Lodge is one of those things you kind of got to look for in these old towns. There's always one. Masonic Lodge and a bank and a hardware store. And another empty building. Looks like it might have been a furniture store at some point, or an antique store. Let's see. And SFG Solar, which appears to be operational. They did a little restoration to this building. Look at the brickwork on this building, though. That has a very nice profile. So there's a little bit of interesting architecture here in this town. So there you have it. This is Rogers, Texas. Come get yourself some Mexican food in this town and buy some antiques and get a tattoo while you're here. I'm sure they all appreciate it. And if you get a tattoo in this town, tell me in the comments, what'd you get? Oh, there's the train again. All right, thanks everybody for coming along with me, and remember, you're all dearly loved.